These roof rack crossbars were kindly sent to me so I could review them for you guys. And right now I have all of the parts laid out here, and let's go through and install them. For reference, I have a 2026 Toyota Grand Highlander, and it does have the flush side rails to mount them on. First off, make sure that you have the front longer piece, and then you have the two front smaller ones. So that's the right front and then the left front.
You'll unscrew these nuts and washers from each side.
All right, so we're just putting each of those pieces on the ends right here.
And I'm just going to lightly screw them in because I don't know the exact distance between the two rails yet. And as you can tell, this can move and you can tighten it down to wherever you need once you get it up on the vehicle.
The same thing again here on the other side. Just lightly tighten them to however you need, and then you can tighten them more later. All right, so there's a little piece right here that you can just pop off with your hands. Then notice how this one says left front again right here. You're just gonna align that in.
And the other side as well.
So now take your key.
And unlock this portion of it. It lifts right off. Set it aside. Get your bolt. Screw it down into the rack. And then tighten it with the provided Allen wrench. And at this time, now that you got it up there and secured on both sides, you can use the provided Allen wrench to feel underneath and tighten those two screws to tighten the crossbar.
Now just put that very top piece on and tighten it with your key. Now we're just doing exactly what we did over here on the first side on the second side. So we screwed in the screw with the provided Allen wrench. And now we're tightening the screws all the way underneath.
For the crossbar.
All right, now that it's nice and tight, we're just gonna put this top cover piece on and turn your key. So now we're removing the rear plastic pieces.
Carefully putting this across on the other side, and then on this side, and then just making sure it's in there. Getting your bolt and wrench, Allen wrench, and then just tightening it down again.
Put your top cover on. Now this is the final one, and we're just tightening those screws with the Allen wrench. And those screws underneath. Final piece. All right, so this is fully installed, and it was really a cinch. I was for some reason expecting this to be harder than it was. These roof racks are necessary for you to get whatever kind of additional rack you want to get for your needs, whether you're kayaking or skiing or whatever sport you're wanting this for. And this is finally what the roof racks look like fully installed.